Hey guys, what's up? We're picking more cherry. Thank you, Dada. Say a man say me can pick some cherry here. So me stop thief now. Right? Me stop thief, me start beg. Guys, cherry are ripe here. Mango just done. It's cherry season now. Yes. Guys, what's up? If you're overseas, we have a lot of customers who are overseas, especially in the United States. But we have customers all over, but we have a lot of customers in the United States. Guys, tell me, when last you need some cherry? I'm so sorry, guys. I had to rub it in. I had to rub that in. I'm so sorry. But we're here on the delivery trail, guys. I see my camera lady going through the cherry leaf. She's stylish like that. That look good on camera, right? Talking about stylish and looking good. Guys, Fashion Over, Shein, all of them sites, you can buy your items on them and we ship them to Jamaica for you and get them delivered to your doorstep. The country open up again. We have party to go, we have dance to go. All of them heels they want to need. We ear, we can buy them online and we ship them to you, get them delivered to your doorstep right in time for the party, right in time for the dance. Alright, there's a link here, guys. Go ahead, click that link. Join us today. Allow us to ship your items to you here in Jamaica. Alright, now go back to picking some more cherry while you click on the link. Join us today, get your items shipped and delivered to you here in Jamaica. We're in Portmore for sure. This is the Sunshine City. In the Sunshine City, we're doing a delivery.